Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we will learn how to use the lower function if you have any letter, word or even a sentence that you want to convert to lowercase. This function will help you do that. For example, as you can see here, all the names are written in capital letters. Now suppose you need to convert all letter to lowercase. How would you do that? You can use the lower function. Here, how type is equal to and start typing lower. Then select the cell that contain the value you want to convert. Bracket close and press enter. You see that all the value are now is lowercase. You can that copy and paste this formula down the column to apply it to all names lowercase. As you can see, starting from Ali Ahmed to Fatima Ali, all the names are now in lowercase. I hope this video helped you understand how to use the lower function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.